If we avoid two things in our food, then we can not only control the allergy, but we can completely cure the allergy. Definitely, everyone would have experienced this allergy. It doesn't have any age limit. Even the small children, even the newborn baby would have experienced this allergy, and even the elderly individuals will also get this allergy. What will happen when we get this allergy? So clinical features that the symptoms of allergy include the irritation. Mainly it causes irritation. When there is an irritation in the skin causes itching. Itching will be there in the skin. Then skin rashes will also be there. Next, when this irritation is there in the nose, it causes a sneezing as well as a running nose. And when there is irritation in the throat, this causes cough. So when the when the allergen or the irritant enters our lungs, it causes a cough as well as a wheezing. One of the most common complaint nowadays we are seeing is the wheezing, and one of the most common cause of this wheezing is this allergy. We don't have medicine to cure this allergy, but whatever the medicines that we consume, that will temporarily subside the symptoms of allergy, but it can't cure allergy. So, but if we avoid two things in our food, then definitely we can avoid this, we can completely cure this allergy. So, what are those two foods? So, one is cow's milk as well as a milk product. Generally, you may ask me, sir, this milk is good for health, it will be having the protein, it has got a calcium, it has got a minerals, it's good for health, but you are telling us to avoid this milk. Definitely, it's true. Cows that holds good, the health of milk holds good for your mother's milk, not for the cow's milk. The cow's milk is designed in such a way that it is healthy for its baby and not healthy for your baby. So this cow's milk will be having the lactose, which is called as a bovine lactose, and this bovine lactose can cause allergy to human beings. Then it got protein especially casein will be there. So this casein can also result in allergy. The albumin, lactalbumin, lactoglobulin, also they can also cause allergy to human beings. And along with that, very important thing recently what we are seeing in this milk is the pesticides, because so we are using these pesticides to grow the crops, and these pesticides will be there in the soil, and the cows which grazes the grass of this soil, that cow's milk will be having these pesticides. The milk will be having pesticides, and consuming such a milk, the pesticide will enter our body, and we can get, definitely we can get allergy to these pesticides. Second food product which we need to avoid is wheat as well as the wheat product. Second, you may say that wheat is having a protein, again that is healthy for us. The protein which the wheat has got is a gluten, and this gluten is a complicated protein which our body can't use. That means to say the protein that is there in this wheat is of no use to human beings, and this useless protein, useless gluten has to get excreted from our body, and this useless protein gluten causes allergy to human beings. Most of the people will be allergic to this gluten. Most of you may ask me one question, sir, I am using milk for so many years, I am using this wheat as well as wheat products like bread, biscuit and all for so many years, but I developed this allergy recently. Generally, allergy develops after certain years. So if you avoid two things, that is, one is the milk and milk product, second is the wheat and wheat product, definitely not only controlling allergy, but you can 100% you can cure your allergy. If you need a scientific and precise information about health, then only you subscribe to our channel. Namaste.